Imagine a future where robots are everywhere. They help us in our homes, they build our cars, they explore the stars. This is not science fiction. This is the future of robotics. Robots are becoming smarter and more capable. They are no longer just tools for repetitive tasks. They can now perform complex surgeries, deliver packages, and even write poetry. The future of robotics is full of possibilities. It is a future where humans and robots work together to solve the world's biggest challenges. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the key to this robotic revolution. AI allows robots to learn from their experiences. They can adapt to new situations and make decisions without human input. Machine learning is a type of AI that is particularly important for robotics. It allows robots to learn from large amounts of data. This data could be anything from images of objects to recordings of human speech. With AI and machine learning, robots are becoming more intelligent and versatile every day. This opens up exciting possibilities for the future. The impact of robotics is being felt across various sectors. In healthcare, robots are assisting surgeons with precision tasks. They are also helping patients with rehabilitation. Service industries are also using robots to improve efficiency and customer experience. Robots are now delivering groceries, cleaning hotel rooms, and even serving as bartenders. Space exploration is another area where robots play a crucial role. Robots can explore harsh environments that are too dangerous for humans. They send back valuable data that helps us understand our universe. Section 4. Humans and Robots. A collaborative future. The future of robotics is not about replacing humans. It is about collaboration. Humans and robots have different strengths. Humans are creative and adaptable. Robots are precise and tireless. By working together, we can achieve more than we ever could alone. This collaboration will create new job opportunities in fields like robotics, engineering, and AI development. It will also free up humans from dangerous or repetitive tasks. Section 5. Navigating the challenges, ethics, jobs, and security. The rise of robotics also presents challenges. We must address ethical concerns such as the potential for bias in AI algorithms. Job displacement is another concern. As robots become more capable, some jobs currently done by humans may become automated. It is important to prepare for these changes and provide training and support for workers. Cybersecurity is also crucial. As robots become more integrated into our lives, it is essential to protect them from hacking and ensure they are used safely and responsibly. Section 6. Embracing the robotic revolution. The future of robotics is promising. We are on the cusp of a new era where robots will transform our world in countless ways. By embracing the potential of robotics while addressing the challenges, we can create a future where humans and robots work together to build a better world. This future requires collaboration, innovation, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. The possibilities are limitless. Let us explore them together.